You ever tried editing a PDF and felt completely stuck? Like you just needed to change one small thing, but it somehow turned into a full headache. That's exactly where LightPDF makes everything incredibly simple. It's an all-in-one platform where you can convert your PDF into a fully editable Word file within seconds, edit or annotate directly without dealing with complicated software, and even compress large files without losing quality. And the best part? It comes with a built-in AI assistant that lets you chat with your PDF to manage, edit, summarize, or convert files instantly. If you want to save time and make working with PDFs effortless, check out the link in the description and try it yourself. Once you click the link, you'll land on this page, and this is where things get really powerful. Here, you'll find a wide range of tools all in one place, including LightPDF AI Agent, AI PDF Generator, AI Presentation Maker, AI Invoice Generator, PDF Translation, Chat PDF, AI Mind Map Creator, AI Summarizer, AI Analysis, OCR, Image to Text, JPG to Word, Image to Excel, and many more. Along with these, you can easily convert PDFs into Word and other formats, and also turn Word, Excel, or other files back into PDFs. You also get image conversion tools, where you can convert files like PNG to JPG, along with full PDF editing features and strong security options. At this point, it's fair to say this is not just a website. It's a complete toolbox with everything you need in one place. Now let's try something simple. I have a PDF, and I want to convert it into a Word file. I just click on the PDF to Word feature, upload my file, and hit Convert. Within a few seconds, my file is ready. I click Download, and it instantly saves to my device. Super fast, smooth, and very easy to use. Now let's take a look at editing. I click on Edit PDF and upload my file. Here, I can add text, highlight important sections, annotate, draw, insert elements, or make any changes I want directly inside the PDF. It's flexible, powerful, and removes the need for any complicated software. Once I'm done, I simply click Download, and the updated file is instantly saved to my device. If you want to save time and manage your PDFs more efficiently, this makes the whole process effortless. Now let's talk about PDF compression. Sometimes your PDF files are just too large to share or upload, which can be really frustrating. That's where this feature becomes extremely useful. I simply upload my PDF, wait a few seconds, and it automatically reduces the file size without affecting quality. Then I just click Download, and that's it. Fast, efficient, and problem solved. And we also have the LightPDF AI Agent, which takes things to a completely new level. Instead of doing everything manually, you can simply upload your file and ask the AI anything you want. You also get tools like OCR to extract text from images, advanced image converters, PDF security options, and many other utilities that make your workflow faster and easier. Everything is designed to save your time and remove the hassle of using multiple tools. Whether you're converting, editing, compressing, or using AI to manage your documents, everything is available in one place with a smooth and simple experience. If you want to make your PDF workflow faster, smarter, and more efficient, check out the link in the description and try LightPDF for yourself.